Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make Google Keep Notes paragraph bold. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Google Keep Notes. Here you can see a list of notes. Now let me select this one, and if you want to make this point bold, then simply copy this, because there is no option to make bold in Google Keep Notes. So we have to copy this, and let me go to Chrome browser, and here on search bar search bold text generator, and go to the second option, second link, and here on type paste your text here box, paste your paragraph, and now select the below options. If you want to make bold italics, then go for it. If you want to make bold italic serif, then go for it. So let me go for bold italic serif and then copy it. Here you can see copy option, copy it. You have successfully copied. Now go to your notes and here paste it. So you can see your paragraph is in bold. So in this way you can make your Google Keep Notes paragraph bold. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.